Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to uninstall the LastPass browser extensions in your Google Chrome web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner and select mo na yung 3 dot icon. And then next step ay select mo lang dito yung extensions. So dito sa extensions, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung manage extensions. So, click mo lang ito. And then madadirect tayo dito sa lahat ng extensions natin dito sa ating Google Chrome web browser. Alright, so makita mo dito yung extensions and then yung all extensions. Okay, and then next ay kailangan mo lang hanapin dito yung LastPass browser. Okay, so ito siya. So LastPass Free Password Manager. Okay, so kung wala ka namang makita ng LastPass browser dito, and then pwede mo naman itong i-add. So, i-click mo lang itong Chrome Web Store. So, nandito siya. So, kailangan mo lang i-add dito sa extensions. And then, next step ay makikita mo dito yung details and then yung remove. Right? So, ang next step dito ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong remove. Okay? So, kung ayaw mo naman itong i-remove, pwede mo naman itong i-turn off tong button niya. So, click mo lang tong arrow na to. And then, na-disable na siya. Kung gusto mong enable, so, click mo lang tong button niya. Alright? And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click to remove. So click mo lang siya. And then pop up ito mga kaibigan. Remove LastPass Free Password Manager. And then click mo lang to remove. So click mo lang siya. And then ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-remove ng LastPass browser extensions in Google Chrome. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.